Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change Snapchat password. Now, in order to change Snapchat password, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to change your password. And from this interface, guys, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see your Snapchat Bitmoji or your Snapchat profile picture. Tap on it. And on this interface again, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your settings or the gear icon. Tap on it, and over here just below the Snapchat Plus, you can see the password option available for us. Tap on here. Now, in order to change it, you'll be required to enter your old password first. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can simply tap on the forgot password over here to go through a reset procedure of your password of the Snapchat. But we'll not be doing that. We'll be just changing our Snapchat password. So let's tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, you'll be over here where you'll be required to enter your new password and confirm it over here. So let's do that. So let's enter our new password, and again retype your new password to confirm it. And the moment your both password match, your new password and a confirmation password, the save button will be available on the screen. Tap on that save button and your password will be changed on Snapchat. And guys, this is how you can change your Snapchat password. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.